Okay, so let's take a look at the milestone tracker that you can build with Appsheet. So first we start with database. So when you click on create database here, new database, you can always get this empty database that has one table with some random data. I will be renaming this database name to MyDB. There is also one table which you can see, and I will be renaming this to milestone tracker. I will be saving this, right? I can also remove the empty table. Can remove some of the columns, but I can't remove the column with label, right? So if you try and attempt that, you will get error like this. So I will create one of the column here. So let's go with date, and once we create the date column, I can label it so that I can remove the untitled column. Right now, next thing would be to basically add one of the milestone as text. Then we have one more column which is status, which is going to be like list, enum list. Can add value like complete, then pending, and rejected, right? So these some of the values. I can save that within the column and then choose assignee. Then we have like text and notes, right? So these are things we have within the tabular structure. Now what I will do is I will go back to dashboard and create new app from existing data. We'll be pointing to this particular database with the table, right? So I will be typing in milestone tracker, right? And I will be pushing for other, right? Choose your data, and within the data source I will be picking up MyDB and this particular table milestone tracker. So create app based on that, right? Now comes the part where I'm supposed to check the view of milestone tracker, right? Now next point after this is trying to load this in a view, right? And if you take a look at the view here, you can check the views, and here I will go with the tabular view. Then I can remove the sort option, group by option. I will save this view, and from here I can also click on desktop so that it actually opens the app within that view. Right now what I can do, click on add, choose the date, let's see milestone, and you can bring the status as complete, assignee, let's see this, and finally you can add something like iteration related data as well. Click save, and you have your one of the tabular data within the milestone tracker. So this brings up one of the milestone tracker in Google Appsheet. So hopefully get the idea. You can continue to change, add, remove some of the columns that you need for this particular milestone tracker app.